No, I'm not a fall of this tree! Hi, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to climb a tree, and hopefully not fall. Okay, before we start climbing a tree, such as this big boy, first we got to discuss something. What our parents are obsessed with. No, not Netflix, but safety, especially moms. Don't tell my mom, but this is how I normally climb trees. But I think I'll be safer with help. Ah, this is better. But some moms will say, not safe enough. Okay, this is better. But most moms will probably say, this is safe enough. Okay, now I climb the tree. Can't get up. I can't get up. I think the helmet will be just fine. But let's not start here. Let's go to something small. Okay, maybe not this small. This is a good beginner's tree. In fact, this is my tree I used to climb on many years ago. This is my beginner tree. Why it's such a good tree is because it's low branches and not many of these twigs that get in your way when you're trying to climb a tree. So, if I plant this tree, I'll put my left foot here, right foot here, and then climb up this way, and then get on here. And probably, you may not follow that plan. Like, when I'm climbing it, you see, I didn't put my right foot here, I put my knee here instead. So it's good to adjust your plan. That's step 2. And when you get up, you need to come down. Step 3 is do what you did when you're climbing up, but just reverse. Come down the same way you came up. Now we've got the little tree down, let's try something a little bit more difficult, like this medium tree. Let's start on a good branch like this one, because it has low branches, and all these pokey branches over here, I don't think you're gonna climb there. So, I'm gonna demonstrate. Remember, plan, adjust, and come down backwards if you want. The medium tree, let's go to something harder. Tree climbing is very fun. And if you start small, you can work your way up to big trees like this big tree. But it's always good to start small and stay where you're comfortable. But if you climb a tree that you're not comfortable with, you just keep on trying it and face your fears. And sometimes I even get scared when climbing these trees because they're big. And when I try it, sometimes I get scared. But it's important to keep on trying. And that's what I like about tree climbing, is where you can climb high and you can see a lot of areas wherever the tree is. And you can just feel the wind passing by because you can feel it when you're high up. And you're wondering, we can't just jump down from here, it's just so high. You're right, so I'm not gonna jump down. But this big branch is great for dangling. So if I dangle, I'm not gonna have to jump this high up. So when I dangle, just put your hands on the branch. When you're dangling, you probably want to scoot away from the tree a little bit. And when you're dangling, look how high I am. Not that high. So I can just drop. Now go outside, enjoy nature, climb trees, but most importantly, have fun. If you like this video, hit the like button or smash it if it makes you feel better. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm the Kid Explainer, and I'll see you next time. Can you help me? Cameraman! Oh no, this is even worse. Oh!